How do you choose to enter into this new season? An equinox, an eclipse. What is this season bringing? What is changing, visible, experienced in a brand new way? Let this time of guiding energy bring you into relationship with that which is springing forth, which is becoming evident, which is becoming clear, which is coming into expression. So take a breath and get self-focused and listen. Listen to the sound of the sea from inside the shell of your life. Feel the ebb and the flow of your own breath. What has been seeded already, and where your seated, planted, growing self is held right now. Notice how you feel in this threshold time, in this seasonal change, on the edge of transitioning. Feel yourself stepping into the journey path and finding your way to a new beginning, crossing that threshold. Moving through the doorway, into the waiting garden. Here it is that you have already been planted, although you may not have known it. So take some time to move through this garden, this sacred space. See what is here waiting for you in this silent time, this numinous time. When something powerful is shifting and changing and beckoning you forth. Seek in this garden the first buds. Notice where they are. Seek in this garden the unfurled leaf. Follow the branch right into the trunk and see what tree is starting to reach up and out into the sun. Move along the path and find the source water. Find where the water comes up through the surface of the earth. Seek beyond the wisdom of that watery place and find another space that holds buds and blooms. maybe even full blossoming. Notice as you deepen your journey into this garden, you see the shifting seasonal unfolding that might take days or weeks or even months. Yet it is all held here within your sacred space. Find a place to rest. But notice your rhythm, that energy that is rising through the surface of your life, greening your life, bringing forth vitality. But find a place to rest, because the ebb and flow of moving in and out of all seasons requires rest in order to grow, sleep in order to thrive, healing in order to vision. This resting place, sacred space to be held within this springtime coming, this equinox. And notice the time of day. Look up to the sky and notice if the sun is darkening and the equinox is held within an eclipse. Such a moment to notice, to be aware of the crossing over between the solar and the lunar, the aligning in relationship to both. And what a welcome to this new season. Feel a reviving of your energies as you step back onto the path and move deeper into this garden, seeking one last message that is waiting for you to welcome in your spring, this equinox. Something waits for you along the path. A gift, a message, or a messenger. Notice how that message or messenger meets you. What is gifted to you in this sacred place, what you bring back with you to seed into your life, to watch unfurl, to poke through the surface of the soil, to bud, to bloom. What is coming on the winds of this spring. Move back into your body, bringing everything that you've experienced back with you, right into the surface of your life, and create with it. See what comes with you on this threshold day.